Let's now look at multiplication order. Take a look at these two orders. 4 times 5 and 5 times 4. Do you think these two orders are the same? Let's find out. 4 times 5 means count 4 into 5 places. So let's count 4 into 5 places. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. This is 4 into 5 places. Next, the second order, 5 times 4. Let's count 5 into 4 places. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is 5 into 4 places. Looking at the first order, 4 plus 4 gives us 8, plus 4 gives us 12, plus 4 gives us 16, plus 4 gives us 20. Looking at the second order, 5 plus 5 gives us 10, plus 5 gives us 15, plus 5 gives us 20. 5 into 4 places is 20. The both order are the same. In multiplication, the order numbers are multiplied doesn't matter, because in any order we multiply a number, the product or answer will remain the same, be it 5 times 4 or 4 times 5. But take note of this. Sometimes order makes things easier for us. Take, for instance, 4 times 5. We have to count 4 into 5 places and add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which will give us 20. Is a bit tiring. Let's look at the second order. 5 times 4. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. The second order is a bit easier. So, order can make things easier for us. Now, here is a multiplication table of 1 to 10. Please try as much as possible to memorize your multiplication table. It will help you so much if you know your way around it. Take, for example, Mr. Emmanuel gave six of his best students 5 pieces of candy each. How many pieces of candy did Mr. Emmanuel give out altogether? First, how many students did Mr. Emmanuel give candy to? 6 students. Now, how many pieces of candy did each of them receive? Each of them received 5 pieces of candy. So, to get the total number of candy Mr. Emmanuel gave out, we have to count 5 into 6 places and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 into 6 places gives us 30. Repeated addition. So, if you know your way around your multiplication table, you will know that it is just a matter of multiplying the number of pupils by the number of candy one student has, which is 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Mr. Emmanuel gave out 30 pieces of candy altogether. Now, let's upgrade our level of multiplication a little. Most times, we come across a single digit number multiplying a 2-digit number. This can be a bit challenging at first. However, if we are familiar with our multiplication table, 1 through 10, we will find these very entertaining. For example, 35 times 3. Here, we don't have to count 35 3 times or 3 35 times. That won't be nice. So, what should we do? First, we need to set up the number like this: 35 times 3. The larger number should be at the top. Why the smaller number at the bottom? Now that we have succeeded in setting up our numbers like this, the next thing to do is to multiply the right hand side or the unit side like this. 3 times 5. 3 times 5 from the multiplication table is 15. However, we can't write 15 under the unit side because it requires just a digit. So we do this. Tens and units. 1 and 5. And pick out the value for the unit and write it down. In this case, our value is 5. So we go down the unit side and write down 5. Next, we take our 1 and take it to the left hand side and circle it. Now, let's us multiply 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Next, we add the number we circled to 9. So 9 plus 1 gives us 10. We go down to the left hand side and write down 10. 35 times 3 is equal to 105. But then, what if we come across two-digit numbers multiplying each other like this? 13 times 12. What should we do? First, we need to have our numbers set up like this. 1, 3 with our sign at the lower left. Then 1, 2. Now we have our number set up. Next, we need to know these 3 vital points. 1. The number at the top is called multiplicand. In this case, it is 13, while the number below is called multiplier. In this case, it is 12. Finally, in multiplication, we place our result under the digits we are multiplying with. Afterwards, we place the next result to the left. Please watch carefully and learn. So, to begin, we will go from right to left, starting with 2. We have 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Remember, we need to go under the digits we are multiplying with and write down our result. In this case, we are multiplying with 2. So we go down under 2 and write 6. Next, we move to the 10th side of the multiplicand. In this case, it is 1. So we say 2 times 1. What is 2 times 1? 2 times 1 is 2. We place our 2 to the left like this. Wash. This is it. We are done with the unit side of the multiplier. It is time to use the tens side of the multiplier, which in this case is 1. We say 1 times 3. What is 1 times 3? Can you make a guess? 1 times 3 is 3. Leaving the unit space out, we go beneath the digit we are multiplying with and write our result. In this case, we are multiplying with 1, so we go beneath 1 and write our result. What is our result? 1 times 3 is 3. So we go beneath 1 and write down 3. Did you see it? Now, we multiply the tens side of the multiplicand, which is 1 times 1. What is 1 times 1? 1 times 1 is 1. We place our result to the left like this. The left of 3. Wash 1. That is correct. We are done with the multiplying. Next, we need to add our result to get our product or final answer. Again, we add starting with the right column. 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. So we go down and write down 6. Next, we move to the left. 2 plus 3, which is 5. We go down and write down 5. 1. 1 has nothing to add. So we come down and write down 1. We are through. 13 times 12 gives us 156. Our answer is correct.